I want to teach you implicit differentiation. Now, it is said that you should differentiate implicitly with respect to x, the equation x raised to power 4 y raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 2y and is equals to y raised to power 5 plus 3x. Find the y dx and simplify your answer. Okay, so solution. Now, before we go any further, I would like to explain something. So, if you are differentiating a term with y, right? Maybe y like this alone, that means something like this, right? You have to differentiate it normally and then add dy dx to it. So for instance, if I want to differentiate this now, I'll bring down the power and take away 1 from the power. This is normal differentiation, but I must add dy dx to it. Whenever you are differentiating any term with y, this is how you do it. Then, if you have a term that combines x and y together, you have to do double differentiation. The first differentiation, for instance, this case, the first differentiation is I will do for x and keep y constant. So if I want to differentiate x now, it will be 4x raised to the power 3. Then I will keep x and y constant, right? Then the second part is that I will differentiate y and keep x constant. So I'll be having x raised to the power 4. Then differential of this now will give me 3y raised to the power 2 dy dx, right? So this is how you expand all this. So if I want to now differentiate this value, I'll have x raised to the power 2y all over the x, or you just call it the x. So I'll differentiate this and keep this constant. So this will give me 2x, right? Then I'm keeping y constant. Then I will do the second differentiation. Now I'm differentiating y. So since it's only y, I'll just be having dy dx and keep x squared constant, right? So we keep x squared constant. Okay, so if I want to differentiate this now, which is the last one, I guess. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So if I want to differentiate this, so differential of 3x is just 3, right? Okay, so let me bring all of them together now. If I want to bring all of them together, so for this aspect, I'll bring this. So I'll be having 4x raised to the power 3, y raised to the power of 3, and then plus this value, x raised to the power of 4, 3y squared. So I can bring the 3 outside, right? So the 3 can be outside, but let me just leave it here. So let's have the y dx. This is this value. Then for this value, this is it. I will add it to it plus 2xy plus x squared dy dx, and it's equal to this very differentiation now is this. So we are going to be having 5y raised to the power of 4 dy dx, and then this answer plus 3. Okay, so let's collect all the terms that have dy dx. So we have one here, one here, and one here, right? Okay, so let's bring them together. This is a plus. So let's bring them together. And all other ones without dy dx, we take them to the other side of the equation. So all dy dx to the right, to the left hand side. The ones without dy dx to the right hand side. So let's start. This has it. So we'll be having x raised to the power of 4, 3y raised to the power of 2 dy dx. This has it. Plus x raised to the power of 2 dy dx. This has it. So it's crossing equality sign, becomes minus 5y raised to the power of 4 dy dx. And then at the other side of the equation, we have 3. This will go to the other side of the equation, because minus 4x cubed y cubed. This will also go to the other side of the equation, because minus 2xy. Right. Now let's factorize dy dx. So let's bring out dy dx. So when we factorize dy dx, we'll then be having at this portion, we'll have x raised to the power of 4. Then this becomes, so I can now write it like 3x squared, s raised to the power of 4, y squared. For this, plus this value will just be left with x squared, right? X squared. Then for this, we'll be having 5y raised to the power of 4. I'm done. Then for this portion, I will still be having 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 3, y raised to the power of 3, minus 2xy, right? So if I then want to make only dy dx the subject of the formula, because it says you should find dy dx, so I'll put dy dx is equal to, I'll divide both sides by this expression. So this will be at the numerator, while this will be at the denominator. So I'll be having 3 minus 4x cubed y cubed minus 2xy divided by this denominator now. 3x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 2, plus x squared minus 5y raised to the power of 4. So this will be my final answer. So whenever you differentiate this value explicitly, this is what you are going to have. All right, thank you for now. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, to follow, and to share with family and friends. Comment as well. Any challenge you have, send it to the comment section. Thank you and bye for now.